Ready to give your home a more polished, high-end feel without the hassle of a full makeover? These luxury Amazon finds add style, comfort, and a touch of elegance to the spaces you use every day. From statement pieces to smart upgrades, each one helps create a home that feels more refined and inviting. All products are linked in the description below. Coffee can be more than a drink, it can be a performance. This vintage balanced siphon coffee maker turns brewing into a fascinating show right on your countertop. As the water heats, a vacuum system pulls it into the upper chamber where it mixes with the grounds, extracting deep flavor and rich aroma. Then, gravity gently draws the finished coffee back down. You get a smooth, full-bodied cup while enjoying a mesmerizing brewing ritual. Your speaker might sound great already, but placement can make all the difference. This elegant tripod stand lifts your speaker to the perfect listening height, so every note reaches you clearly. Solid wood legs and polished metal give it a premium look that fits beautifully into any room. The balanced base keeps the speaker stable while improving acoustics. You simply set it up, press play, and enjoy richer, more immersive sound. Your bathroom mirror just got a serious upgrade. This smart vanity mirror hides a full touchscreen right behind the glass, letting you stream videos, check apps, or play music while you get ready. Soft side lighting creates a clean glow, so you always see yourself clearly. The built-in defogger keeps the mirror crystal clear even after a hot shower. Just tap the controls, and your daily routine suddenly feels a lot more high-tech. A great space isn't just about how it looks, it's about how it smells. This sleek scent diffuser fills your room with rich fragrance using a waterless system that turns essential oils into a fine, invisible mist. That means no heat, no dilution, and no messy residue. You can adjust intensity and schedules right from your phone with Bluetooth control. The soft ambient lighting adds a relaxing glow while your space smells amazing. Movie night hits different when your couch does more than just sit there. This power recliner sofa set turns your living room into a personal theater with seats that lean back at the push of a button. Cup holders, hidden storage, and a pull-down center table keep snacks and gadgets within reach. There's even a built-in charging port and adjustable reading light. You sit down, stretch out, and everything you need is right beside you. Your TV might show the action, but this sound system makes you feel inside it. This surround sound bar with rear speakers creates a true theater effect right in your living room. Dolby Atmos sends audio above and around you, so rain, explosions, and music feel incredibly real. A wireless connection lets you stream music straight from your phone. You sit back, press play, and the whole room fills with cinematic sound. Sitting all day doesn't have to feel like punishment. This ergonomic desk chair moves with your body, adjusting support from the headrest all the way down to your lower back. Lean back, and the chair gently stretches your spine, helping you relax during long work sessions. The reclining back lets you shift from focused work to full relaxation in seconds. With the matching footrest, you can finally give your legs the break they deserve. Music sounds better when it's smart. This sleek radio not only plays FM, DAB, and internet stations, but also connects to Spotify, Deezer, and Amazon Music. Bluetooth 5 makes streaming from your phone seamless and stable. Dual alarms and a sleep timer help you manage your day while enjoying rich, natural sound. You can even tune into podcasts or set your favorite stations with a tap. Everything feels effortless. Small spaces just got a big upgrade. This Pullout Sofa easily transforms from a love seat to a recliner or a full sleeper bed with just a pull of the strap. Built-in USB and Type-C charging ports keep your devices ready, while cup holders and side pockets add extra convenience. Soft corduroy fabric makes every seat cozy, and the sturdy frame supports up to 660 pounds. You get comfort, style, and practicality all in one. Set the scene without moving a single piece of furniture. This French sash window backdrop turns any space into a stylish living room or office setting for photos. Perfect for portraits, product shoots, or events. It brings realistic depth and vibrant detail to every shot. Lightweight vinyl rolls out flat and can be hung vertically or horizontally, making setup a breeze. You just pick your angle, adjust the lighting, and get professional-looking photos instantly. Say goodbye to wobbly patio umbrellas. This heavy-duty base keeps your outdoor umbrella stable, even on breezy days. You can fill it with sand or water for extra weight, holding up to 125 pounds. 4 built-in wheels make moving it easy, while 4 locks keep it firmly in place. Fits most standard umbrellas, and when empty, it's lightweight for storage or travel. Turn any window into a dazzling light show. These smart LED curtain lights use 1,560 tiny bulbs to create vibrant, color-changing patterns and animations. You can even upload your own GIFs or use AI to design unique effects. Over 200 preset scenes let you sync lights to music, holidays, or moods. Waterproof and easy to control with your phone or voice, they bring magic indoors or outdoors. Say hello to your new countertop hero. This extra-large French door air fryer toaster oven cooks 25% faster, using 90% less oil than traditional fryers. With 10 cooking functions, you can air fry, bake, roast, toast, or even dehydrate all in one appliance. Its 26.4 quart capacity fits a pizza, chicken wings, or toast for the whole family. The LED display and precise controls make cooking simple, stylish, and fun. Wrinkles don't stand a chance with this 2-in-1 steam station iron. It heats up in just 30 seconds and blasts powerful steam to smooth clothes fast. Use it vertically on hanging garments or like a regular dry iron, perfect for any fabric. The detachable tank keeps it going for long sessions, and smart safety features like auto-off and anti-drip make it worry-free. Compact and stylish, it stores neatly while keeping your clothes flawless. Turn any surface into your personal spa. This full-body massage mat combines gel memory foam with 7 massage and stretching programs for total relaxation. Vibration and heat therapy melt tension, while the foam cushions every curve of your body. Control it easily with the wireless remote or app, and save your favorite settings. Lightweight and portable, it works on your bed, couch, or floor for a custom massage anywhere. Upgrade your bathroom to the future of comfort. This smart toilet comes with a built-in bidet for personalized cleansing with adjustable spray, water pressure, and temperature. The Comfort Height design makes sitting and standing effortless, while dual flush options save water. Motion sensors open and close the lid hands-free, and the self-cleaning system keeps everything hygienic. Quiet close seating and pre-flush misting complete a sleek, luxurious experience. Turn every shower into a spa escape. This matte black rain shower gives full body coverage, letting water rain down like a luxury 20-inch shower head. The adjustable arm and tilting head let you control height, angle, and coverage exactly how you like. It saves water without sacrificing comfort and installs quickly with the included DIY kit. Simple, sleek, and spa-worthy, it transforms your daily routine into pure relaxation. Upgrade your brushing routine with this smart electric toothbrush. Sense IQ technology senses your pressure and adjusts automatically to protect teeth and gums. With 5 modes and 3 intensity levels, you get a gentle yet powerful clean, removing more plaque and stains than a manual brush. Track your habits and get tips through the app, and take it anywhere with the rechargeable travel case. Sleek, intelligent, and effective for a healthier smile every day. Step into a spa every day with this large towel warmer. Its spacious bucket holds oversized towels, robes, or blankets, keeping them perfectly heated. 4-timer settings let you prep warm towels in advance, and it shuts off automatically for safety. The stainless steel tub resists corrosion, while built-in cord storage keeps your bathroom neat. Reliable and luxurious, it's the ultimate way to enjoy cozy, spa-like comfort at home. Meet the coffee table that does it all. This modern smart table has a built-in fridge to keep drinks and snacks perfectly chilled. Charge your phone wirelessly or plug in devices with USB, Type-C, or the power socket. A Bluetooth speaker and touch control panel add convenience and style, while adjustable partitions and temperature settings keep everything fresh. Sleek, functional, and high-tech, it's perfect for your living room or bedroom. Bring natural charm to any space with this versatile indoor-outdoor rug. Its flat, woven polypropylene mimics jute while staying durable, easy to clean, and resistant to wear. Low pile makes it perfect under furniture or in entryways without blocking doors. Use it on patios, in kitchens, or living rooms for effortless style that lasts. Lightweight, washable, and timeless, it's a simple way to add texture and warmth anywhere. Transform any room into a cozy, modern retreat with this smart electric fireplace. Its 50-inch wall-mounted design features lifelike LED flames over crystals and driftwood for a sleek, stylish look. Heat your space quickly with adjustable settings while creating the perfect ambiance with 10 flame and media colors. Control it hands-free with Alexa, Google Home, or the remote, and enjoy the warmth and charm without the hassle of a real fire. Meet the ultimate floor cleaning assistant. This AI-powered robot vacuum and mop doesn't just clean. It lifts obstacles, sorts small items, and navigates your home like a pro. With 22,000 Pascal suction, dual spinning mops, and hot water cleaning, it tackles dirt, dust, and tough stains effortlessly. Its ultra-slim design reaches under furniture, while smart navigation and obstacle avoidance cover every corner. Hands-free docking, mop washing, and AI customization make cleaning completely effortless. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.